So any YouTube channel videos to advertise by the Facebook, this is very important. We'll be using for that you can upload by YouTube to Facebook, but is a showing for small thumbnails. That is called we recently using by the one simple option is called any one video to advertise. Any one video to advertise. Select by the particular video. Copy this. I copy this video. The option call is YouTube to FB.com. YouTube to FB.com. So once we click for convert, once click for to convert, it is showing this video. You can share it by Facebook and Twitter. So most of the you can share it by Facebook. The viewers will be checked by this kind of large videos. So select it. Copy this one. And along with we can promote by total channel videos. We can promote by your YouTube video title. Same thing you can promote by the video channel. Copy. Select it. Share. You can share too. So right now I'm selecting for audience. One will be selected by your friends timeline and groups. So most of the reach persons will be groups. There will be groups. Only related groups are more important. YouTube related groups. Select your post Facebook. Same like in sharing by the new audience group and your friends timeline. Why? Your friends timeline, your so many unknown friends are there. They will reach by your unknown friends also. Share. Select it. Group. And then YouTube. Post is not allowed. So when coming to other, that is for only for private page. It's only for private group. Select it. Paste it. Group. Comment here. Select by your option. So simple, you can select by the total options are there. Which one? Your newsfeed and story, friends timeline, group, and page and a private message. Select by page. Select by the n number of pages. Post it. Now click for post to Facebook. So most of the new audience will select by the groups. The group will be selected based on select by your Facebook. Suppose you are posting any kind of health related health tips. Suppose you are posting for any kind of health related health tips. Click for groups. Join for number of group. Each group you can posting for individual also. Suppose you can select by YouTube. So you can promote YouTube kind of videos. Select group. See the other videos. All of the people will be here. We can post select by individual group and post by shared by the YouTube to FB. Suppose you can select by individual group, copy this URL. Suppose I'm selecting for this group. Now, copy. Select the group. I'm not sharing for YouTube to FB. I'm sharing for direct by in your group. So in this group, I'm joined, but it's not accepting for your information. close it. Selected by another group. The group you can join yourself to particular group. This is also closed group. Now, here see, this is a public group. Just open the group here. So most of the selecting for the groups to join and to share the content by the new audience. Always selecting by the new audience to getting for more traffic. So this page will be open and this page will be open here. Here. I'll show the one example here. Just is loading for page. In a group, select link, copy information, paste here. After that, post. It's clear. Individual group we can select or can select by the youtube.com also will be shared. So finally your posting will be there. If anyone click this one, they're going to where your YouTube channel. That you can increase by YouTube views select by particular option. There are two advantages. View will be increased, subscribe will be increased. Automatically like, share, comment will be increased. Like, share, comment will increase. Automatically generated for strong backlink also will be increased. Strong backlink also will be increased. So this is called to promote videos YouTube to fb.com to social media. We can see by the large thumbnail. It's a very important in particular website. See the video will be played. So automatically view will be increase the subscriber, increase the likes and comment and the share value.